Itong mga, sino yung MPA dito? Kayo talaga. Huwag na maghiya-hiya. Wala talaga, na isa oh. Imposible kung walang MPA dito. Or grant amnesty with the concurrent of Congress kung magkaayusan tayo. Palagay ko, I think that I said with the help of God, we can have peace with the communists in my time. Baka lang. This is not a wild guess, but baka kaya kong makuha talaga. Wala, you see, we are talking with the NPAs. So there's no more killing. Kaya lang minsan ito sila, nagalit ako, because hindi sila nag-intindihan doon ni Duresa, Bebot, pati Nag-lift sila ng ceasefire February 12, February 4, pinagpatay na nila ang sundalo ko, pati polis. Ay sabi ko, putang ina. Kaya nilip ko February 4, tinawagan ko si Chief of Staff John Anyo, sabi ko, sir, birahin mo na yan sila. O ngayon, gusto ninyo ng ceasefire. O sige, tignan natin, gusto nila mauna o simultaneous. Fine. I can walk the extra mile. Alam, my job as president is to seek peace for my land. It is not my duty, it is not even a part of the presidency to wage a war against his own people. Sabi ko nga sa mga military, pati police, siyempre nasaktan niyan sila. You know, we have this fight against the NPAs. Ang MI pati MN sa Mindanao have been going on for the last 50 years. Unless we are ready to fight for another 50 years, passing on to the next generation the violence and this agony that we have suffered. Kayo. Hindi panlahat ng panahon maghirate. Kalukuhan to. Yung mga komunista nakikinig ngayon, 50 years, nandiyan kayo sa bukid. Hindi ninyo makita yung anak ninyo na pinalabas ninyo sa mundo. Hindi nga ninyo mapaaral. Wala kayong pera. Hindi ninyo ang asawa ninyo, ng anak. Nagpalaki ng anak, wala kayo. What's the fucking... Ano ba itong kalukuhan na to? Tapos gusto ninyo another 50 years? Ako, okay ako. May gobyerno, may pera, may taxes. But I said, look, that is not the... If I could just have peace with everybody. The problem is, ang ISIS, the terrorists now that's rampaging across the Middle East, they have anointed si Hapilon. Hapilon. Nandoon sa Central Mindanao. Ay ko, pinambumbahan ko siya. We have not heard of him since then. Sabi ko, hulugan mo ng bomba yung ang rebellion kasi, it's not fought with, kasi, pero talagang napika na ako, sabi ko, ay, gamitin mo na. Lahat. Nadaan na ba yung jet dito? Ay, pinadaan ko kasi yung airport, sabi ko na, may bago tayong jet. 4. Magbili pa ako gawain ko yung 12. Pagtatlo. Yun, ang bilis yung pagdaan yun, wala tayong rinig. Maya-maya, nandoon na yan. Bago pa yung sound. Pero wala ka ng aeroplano. O yun ang hindi makita ng mga gunggong. Kasi paghulog ng bomba, nakadaan na. Naiwan ang sound doon sa Palawan. Di pagputok, yung ginagamit ko, sabi ko gamitin, pulpugin mo yan. Ako ayaw kong makipag-away. Ayaw kong pumatay ng Pilipino. Pero huwag naman there has to be a time when we'll have to talk peace. That is why I'm here. Ang akin, lang man, I made a few promises. Then we were asked during the debates ng presidential. We were asked by this question, the 5, kaming lahat na kandidato, are you willing to allow the burial of Marcos in the Libinang Ambayani? Sabi ko, yes. 2 reasons. The law says, soldier and president. He was a soldier and a president. Whether he was a coward, he was a scoundrel, or he was not doing his duty as a soldier, that is not my concern. I was not there. I'm called to judge the person now. I was not around. I was just maybe part of the atoms not then. He was a president? Well, he was. Was he a bad president, a good president? That is not for me to answer. The law says, unless he was a dictator, president, they can be buried, soldiers, or president. Period. Eh, abogado ako, that's the only thing that's being asked there. Kaya ako, if I have a place there in Libingan, the Cemetery of Heroes, if there is a place for me there, you can have it. I'll just burn my bodies and place the urn beside my father and mother. Kung gusto sa inyo magpalibing ng hero, wow. Ito I'm being castigated by EU. Ito namang EU for their naivete. I pity those guys. Itong mga, without offending you guys. Itong mga puti. Pagkabugok talaga. Terrible. No, you're not the one. I'm trying to figure out the members of the EU Parliament. Taga saan ba ito sila? Well, because there is a lady here. Kayo ba naniniwala na political prisoner si De Lima? Na pinaparelease ng iyo kasi political prisoner daw yung sa politika. Tapos ako patuloy ang ipakulong. Buang putang ina itong. Kasi yung marami daw akong pinatay, 10,000. Tang ina, sobra naman yan. When I was a Davao City Mayor for 22 years, magsabi ko lang 600 meron. Actually meron. Criminals killed in action. Pag sabihin, mag-utos ako na, ayun si General Barayno, kung nag-task force Davao man yan, tanongin niyo may inutos ba ako na patayin mo yung tao naka-dupa dyan, on bended knees. You are not a warrior. So, what's my problem? You arrest them alive? When you're dead, fine. Pag alive, total sa prison, I have not expanded the space of the prison. So, matulog yan sila dyan, nakatindig. Ganon. Hindi na sila matumba kasi wala namang ring space. Nirisi sa inyo yan. And the problem is, how about the innocent? In my experience, out of 20, wala pa. Siguro mga 30 may dalawa. Ganun. Yung innocently in prison. Karamihan talaga may sabit. Ngayon ito si Delilah, political process. Ilang nga ang lalaki. Ngayon na nasa kulungan siya, ayaw aminin, nagpadala pa ng yung tawag na sa amin ng bata pag kami extra. Yung the next showing nung nanonood ka, yung next showing may mga cut dyan, mga extra. Mga trailer yan. Wala, that's the trailer. Nagpadala pa siya ng trailer in advance. Kita pa ng buong mundo. Hindi niya nakita yung trailer ninyo. Nandyan sa video ninyo, tingnan lang ninyo uli. Yan man ang trailer niya. Fighting Tapos ngayon doon sa iyo, ako pa ang kontrabida. Sabihin ko sa inyo uli, I have to go home because pag mahulog ako dyan, maghanap kayo sa akin. Buong isang buwan kayo magkabkab dyan ko sa yung Duterte. Sana yung Duterte na yan. Ano bang isda dito? Kasi yung Lapu-Lapu sa Davao noong mayor ako mataba. Kasi ang pagkain noon tao. Dito pag nahulog ako, puta na tataba yung tilapia ninyo. I have 35 minutes to fly out. Kasi kung mahulog, di si Robredo na. Naloko na. Back to happiness si Congressman Umali kay Liberal. Na kay si Bebot pala iyak, Bobot. Sige yan, iyak. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Well, anyway, I made just few promises that I would never interfere in the economic planning, ganun sabi ko. Bigay ko yan sa mga bright. Lahalos lang bright yan. Tugade yon ang aming valedictorian. Si Yasay was my roommate when we were taking the bar. Si Dominguez is the owner of Marco Polo sa Davao. Talagang kindergarten pa yan, bright talaga yan. Palaging valedictorian. Lahat si Vitaliano Aguirre, cum laude yan. Lahat yan sila bright. Tugade si billionaire actually. He was the chief executive operating officer ng Delgado Brothers Shipping. Working student yan pero mutak. Ako lang dyan ang 75, pero dahan-dahan, umaakyat man, pero kasi yung valedictorian, ganon. Accelerated pa. Ako yung one step at a time. Total yung hagdanan, ginawa talaga yan para ganon. Kaya mo, kita mo gano'n. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, ha? Yan sila, Pernia, UP yan, Briones, magna cum laude yan sa UP, no? Tigawalo, she's left. Mariano is left. Masa is left. May 4 ako dyan na komunista, mahuhusay. Mga bright yan. Ako is 75, pero sa awa ng Diyos, mga trabahante ko lahat yan sila. Pati ito. Pinyol graduated valedictorian. Ganyan-ganyan lang yan, pero valedictorian yan. Totoo. Baulid, alunggo na ka. Ka-bright. Ako, yung tama-tama lang. Inom dito, babae doon. Injection dito kasi yung sa amin, pinador. Kasakit ka. Kasakit. Bidi? Iberia, nagapunta ako ng doktor. Tanong ka. Sabi ng doktor, magkaroon ka ng tolerance sa antibiotic. Kaya maya, pag ganoon sa puwit ka. Kaya na presidente naman. Tapos, ma-pick up yan ng media. Nandiyan si Doris o Bigornian ng ABS. Putulin mo yan, Doris. Putulin yung ulo mo. Gawin na issue yan. Yung babae na ginaganong ka doon ka. Kasintahan, kumanyor. Totoo. Tanong yan sila. Yung sa na pinalabas na babae raw, pinilit ko. Biniro ko lang yung kamas kasi may tilas. Alam mo yung tilas? Yung Makati. Sabi ko, ginawakan ko. Sabi ko, magsama ka ngayong gabi hapunan. Hindi. So, hindi kasi yung regional office may dinner. Ikain ko ito Diyos ha. Sabi na. Tapos sabi ko, inano ko rin yung babae sa stage. Kasintahan ko yun, gago. Tingnan ninyo, mayroon dyan pinapalabas nila. Yung babae na hinihila niya yung kamay niya. Undersecretary niya. Tatawin mo si Gobernador. Noon pa yan. Panahon pa. Totoo. Ngayon yung black propaganda na may babae.